Pangalagan. So we're here in a German Mill Settler Park. It's along John Street and Bayview area. So it's basically a very nice place. You can walk, you can bike. There's tons of different kinds of birds that you can obviously see, but I don't think you can feed them. And there's a riverbank over on the bottom of the area, and there's like a you can basically take a bicycle and walk from John Street all the way down. And so this is the German Mill Settlers Park. I'm gonna have you take a look at it. So yeah, if you hear any bird, oh, there's a dog as well there. So there's a dog and the owner. So yeah, basically this is the area. It's so good for walking. It's so good for exercise, and that's it for now. Bye.